Last year, I had a real estate deal here in Langley delayed because of a wildfire in Mission. An active wildfire within roughly 50 kilometers of the property meant that the buyer couldn't obtain insurance before closing. Without insurance, the lender would not fund the mortgage, which delayed the completion of the sale. Thankfully, the fire was contained and the deal went through. However, it was a real eye-opener because situations like this are becoming part of real estate transactions today. Home insurance costs are rising. Lenders are becoming more cautious. Buyers are asking more questions about flooding, wildfire smoke, water restrictions, insurance availability, and long-term risk. Hey there, it's Andy Schildhorn with the Schildhorn Realty Group. Climate change is no longer just some future issue. It is already affecting real estate right now. Metro Vancouver is already under stage 2 water restrictions with talk about going to stage 3 by June. Think about that. It's still spring. Over the past few years, we've all watched atmospheric rivers, major flooding in BC, wildfire smoke across the Fraser Valley, extreme heat, drought conditions, and rising insurance costs. People are starting to pay attention, especially buyers. A few years ago, conversations were mainly focused on price, interest rates, schools, commute times. Today, buyers are also asking, is this area prone to flooding? What is the insurance like here? Could this become a problem long term? These are all fair questions. Climate-related risks are already affecting insurance, financing, infrastructure, and long-term planning. That wildfire situation also, it changed how we handle our contracts. Here at the Schildhorn Realty Group, we now include what's commonly called a wildfire clause in contracts during wildfire season to help protect our clients. Now, it sounds surprising for an urban area like Langley, but think about it. We're still close enough to forested areas throughout the Fraser Valley that wildfire activity can affect insurance coverage during the active fire season. Without insurance, lenders may not fund the mortgage. Real estate transactions can be delayed. Personally, I don't think this suddenly changes where people want to live. People still want space. They want privacy. They want nature, views, lifestyle. That's not going away. Buyers are becoming more informed and they're becoming more cautious, and I think that's healthy. I also think that this changes the role of realtors moving forward. We don't need to become climate scientists. However, we do need to help clients ask better questions about floodplains, insurance considerations, drainage, municipal infrastructure, and water supply. At the end of the day, climate change is already affecting how homes are insured, how buyers evaluate risk, and how real estate decisions are being made. This is not to create panic. This is just to create awareness. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you think climate risks are going to increasingly affect real estate decisions here in Langley and the Fraser Valley? Leave a comment. I'd love to hear what you have to say. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe and ring that bell so that you don't miss future Langley and the Fraser Valley real estate updates. And if you want to talk about your market, your property, or your long-term plans, click that link below. Let's book a time to chat at a time that's convenient for you. Thanks for dropping by. Have a great day, and I look forward to hearing from you real soon.